as we listen more and more around different parts of the planet, whether it's frozen Arctic Ocean or the deepest jungles of Central Africa, the whole world is singing. Clicking and grinding and whistling and thumping. But we've stopped listening.
The Cornell Bioacoustical Laboratory has the largest repository of animal sounds on the planet. They've been collecting them since the 1930s.
You can think of it as a museum, just like it could be bird skins or, beetles tacked up on a wall. So there's this range of sounds from the largest animal ever to live on this planet to the tiniest little insects